How to make and create startup presentation on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make and create startup presentation in less than 1 minute on Canva PC version. First thing, go to canva.com, log into your account, click on create a design, search for presentation, click on the first one. It will take you to this page. Go right here, scroll down until you find startup presentation, click on see all, choose a template right here, for example this one, and now add to your presentation like this. Create the second page here and click the third page, click the fourth one, for example this one. Now after you add all your pages, now you can edit them easily. As you can see, very easy and fast. You can change the pictures, the text and everything. After you finish editing, you can go now to the top here and click present and choose the type autoplay, for example, click present. Now as you can see, it's so professional and it's as you can see, it looks so good. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.